I think the thing that we enjoy most here is the projects that really challenges, that utilise all of the skill sets that we have in here, and these are the ones that we can get the most out of. We've worked with McDonald's for a long number of years, both in Pacific and in our previous company. We like working for McDonald's. They're always setting us challenges and we like rising to those challenges. We're the only Scottish contractor that worked at McDonald's, and that's been the case for a long time. We've been involved in rolling out side by side across McDonald's estate. This is where they have a dual drive-through lane and they can double the volume of the traffic that goes through. This was something we were involved in a few years ago when they ran some pilots, and it proved to be successful then, and it's been very successful now. We carry out all of this work while the store continues to trade. So we have to try and undertake the works without disrupting the restaurant as much as possible. The project at Meadowpark in Stirling was for Mitchells & Butler, and it was the first of their Miller & Carter brands, which is a high-end steakhouse brand. The building was in a fairly dilapidated state, and it was A-listed as well, so there was quite a lot of work needed to be done, and it had to be done quite sensitively in conjunction with Historic Scotland. The interior designer did a fantastic job of choosing fantastic materials, and the place looks really, really good. It's been really well received by the local community in Bridge of Allen, and it's performing way beyond Mitchells & Butler's expectations. It's a high-end product, the steakhouse brand, so it had to be constructed in a very sensitive and high-quality manner. Gleneagles has been a long-standing client of ours. We've done a number of projects up there, including bedroom refurbishments, common areas, stairwells, the spa area, and a number of works in advance of the Ryder Cup. We also, some years ago, did the whisky suites, which were constructed for the world leaders in advance of the G8 summit. Gleneagles is at the top end of where we work. The location is absolutely perfect up in the Perthshire Hills. The brand is a global brand. It's known the world over, and they need to maintain high standards. They're part of the world leading hotel group, and they're recognised as such. So we really need to be at the top of our game when we're delivering for them. We've worked at Glasgow International Airport for a long number of years. It's not everyone that can work in that environment, and we've developed an expertise over those years. Well, the real challenge for anyone working at an airport is it's a very dynamic environment. It changes by the hour, and it's really how you accommodate and deal with those changes without it fully disrupting the delivery of the product. The kind of works that we've done is the check-in areas, retail areas, gate rooms, air bridges, and recently we constructed the new International Arrivals Hall in advance of the Commonwealth Games. There was an awful lot of work to get done in preparation for the arrival of the athletes and the media that accompanied them, and it was a lot of work. It was a tight task, and we achieved it. We got it over the line. We enjoy working at Glasgow Airport. It's a very challenging environment, but it's something that we get a lot of satisfaction out of, and we take a great deal of pride in the finished product. We're also proud to be associated with the expansion of the airport and what it brings to the country. The biggest accolade we receive is repeat business. People keep coming back to us, and we know that they have choices. That tells us we're doing something right, and our job is to make sure that complacency doesn't creep in, and we keep working hard to make sure it's right every time.